the way, this video is not sponsored by, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for the updates of my next video. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox the shopping haul. It's a shoes and slippers from Rubino. Yesterday, I had a follow-up checkup for my doctor after a surgery. So, and I think we finished early. So me and my husband decided to drop by at the store for the shoes. It's Rubino, and we got a good deal for the twins and for me and my husband. For the twins, we always bought the same styles for the shoes, and every year, just wondering, I always buy a pair of shoes. Their fit is like it's getting bigger and bigger. So yesterday I bought a size 10 for toddlers because last year I bought size 8 for FilCan Twins and size 9 for Maxans. And now their fit is getting bigger and the shoes is like it's a bit smaller. So I bought a size 10 is from Skechers, and the original price is this. It's a $39.48, and it was on sale, so I pay like $29.95, so it's a $10 savings. And the color is blue. This one, it's blue and orange. It's then gray, and a combination of blue, orange, gray, and white. Yeah. And it said it's a machine washable. So I always bought two pairs at the same time because they are always fighting. For the second pair, it's the same size and the same model. Last year it's with the light, so it's a bit expensive. Yeah, size 10 also. And the Skechers is also a good quality. Both is a machine washable, and of course, as usual, is made in China. Yeah, I like the color combination. It's really comfortable. And the next one I bought for myself. It's from Clark. The actual price is $64.99, but I got it. It's $49.95. It was on sale, so I saved like $15. It's a size 5. It's a slippers for summer. Because I'm always using sneakers. I have a sandals, but when I saw this, Actually, I don't have plan to buy for me. It's only for the twins. But when I saw this, I like the model or the style. It's like it's very comfortable. Yeah, because I have a purse. The color is like the same red or dark red. So I told my husband I want to buy this for myself. And here we go. It's a Clark's cloud slippers and cushion soft. Yeah, it's very soft. It's very comfortable for the feet. Yeah, and they have oh, it's adjustable also. This strap here. Yeah, looks very comfy, and I love the design. Yes, perfect for summer or at the beach. It's a Clark, and my feet is very small. It's only size 5, or it depends the shoes. I have a sneaker size 6 or 6.5, but for the slippers, it's a 5.5 or 5. It depends the brand. But this one, it's look like it's perfect for my feet, size 5. It's a Clark's. And the next one, my husband bought also for himself. It's slippers, Fila for summer. The size is a size 9. And this one also is on sale. It's $39.99. Since we bought 4 pairs of shoes or slippers, we get another discount of 25% for the total amount. So it's a big savings. Yeah, the color is a navy blue. It's a combination with the white and red for the fila. I like this. It's also very comfortable. Just using this at home or going outside. Most of the time, my husband, when he go outside, he's also using sneakers. It's rare that he's using a slippers. So this one, really likes it. It's a slippers from Fila or a slip-on. You can wear with the socks on it. Yeah, and the name of the store is a Rubino. They have a big discount. Rubino. So now, for sure, the twins, they will be happy with their new shoes because they are always complaining. Mama, my shoes is very tight. My feet is not comfortable. So with this one, got a bit bigger. Hopefully, they can also wear next summer.